I put a very cute doll under the wheel of the car. I left a very big watermelon under the wheel of the car. I put 3 burning gas lighter under the wheel of the car. I left a computer keyboard. I arranged many toy cars one by one and put them under the wheels of the car. Now I kept 3 packets of noodles for experiment. A few very beautiful placed very broken by pressure of the car wheels. I kept 3 large watermelon for experimenting. A few can bottle burst under the pressure of the car wheels. As soon as the pressure is applied on the car wheel spring, a high flame came out. Friends, this time we left a very big egg under the wheel of the car. As the car wheel moved forward, it braked at all placed one by one. We put a cube under the wheel of the car. The toothpaste burst under the pressure of the car wheel. I left some fruit under the wheel of the car. I left some plastic toy for experimenting. The pressure of the car will burst all the chips in the packet and the chips came out. I put a doll with a very violent face under the wheel of the car. Let's see what happened to this electric light. The plastic toy is broke. This time we left a very large toy lollipop. I will put 2 toy robots under the wheels of the car to do the experiment. After putting pressure on the juice packet, all the juice came out. There are many small dolls here.